In the dynamic world of project management, staying organized and efficient is paramount. Teams juggle numerous tasks, deadlines loom, and communication needs to be seamless. This is where powerful project management tools step in, and ClickUp stands out as a versatile platform packed with features designed to enhance productivity. One crucial aspect that often draws users to ClickUp is its robust workflow functionality. So, the question on many minds is, does ClickUp have workflows? The resounding answer is a definite yes. In fact, workflows are a cornerstone of ClickUp's design, providing a flexible and customizable system to manage the progression of tasks from initiation to completion. Understanding and leveraging ClickUp's workflow capabilities can significantly improve your team's efficiency, reduce errors, and provide a clear overview of project status. Think of a workflow as a roadmap for your tasks. It defines the different stages a task needs to go through, the actions that need to be taken at each stage, and who is responsible for those actions. Without a well-defined workflow, tasks can get lost, deadlines can be missed, and team members might be unsure of their responsibilities. ClickUp's workflow feature addresses these challenges head-on by providing a structured approach to task management. At its core, a ClickUp workflow revolves around statuses. These statuses represent the different stages of a task's lifecycle. ClickUp offers a set of default statuses like to do, in progress, and complete, but its true power lies in its customizability. You can create statuses that perfectly align with your team's specific processes. For instance, a software development team might have statuses like backlog, development, testing, and deployment, while a marketing team could use idea, drafting, review, and published. This level of customization ensures that your workflow reflects the unique steps involved in your projects. Beyond simple statuses, ClickUp allows you to define transitions between these statuses. Transitions dictate the order in which a task can move from one stage to another. This helps to maintain a logical flow and prevents tasks from skipping crucial steps. For example, you can ensure that a blog post cannot be marked as published before it has gone through the review stage. These transitions can be further refined by adding automation, which we'll explore shortly. To further enhance workflow management, ClickUp utilizes columns in its list and board views. These columns visually represent your custom statuses, providing an at-a-glance overview of where each task stands. You can easily drag and drop tasks between columns to update their status, making it incredibly intuitive to manage progress. This visual representation fosters transparency and allows team members to quickly identify bottlenecks or areas that require attention. The real power of ClickUp workflows comes alive with its automation capabilities. Instead of manually updating statuses, assigning tasks, or setting due dates, you can set up automation rules to handle these repetitive actions automatically when a task moves to a specific status. Imagine a scenario where, upon moving a task to the in-review status, the responsible team lead is automatically assigned as a reviewer and a notification is sent to them. This not only saves time, but also ensures that crucial steps are never overlooked. ClickUp offers a wide range of automation triggers and actions, allowing you to tailor your workflows to be as efficient as possible. For teams that need a more structured and repeatable approach, ClickUp offers workflow templates. These templates provide pre-configured sets of statuses and automation rules for common project types or processes. Instead of building a workflow from scratch, you can select a template and customize it to fit your specific needs. This can be a significant time saver and ensures that you're leveraging best practices for common workflows. Furthermore, ClickUp allows you to apply workflows at different levels within your workspace. You can set up default workflows for entire spaces or folders, ensuring consistency across similar projects. You can also customize workflows at the list level for more specific processes. This flexibility allows you to tailor your workflow management to the granularity that best suits your team's structure and project requirements.